I'm John Champion, alongside me is Jim Beglin, and we're enjoying the atmosphere inside the unique stadium that is Wembley.
Well, thanks, John. Hello, everyone. Well, I hope you're looking forward to it as much as I am. This could be a real cracker.
And here are the starting lineups. We are off and running. Terry. Moreles. Ashley Cole. Now through to Lampard. And a header, and the chance accepted with some aplomb. That's 1-0. A fine delivery and a header to match.
Yeah, his run just gave the defence one problem too many, and he eluded everyone to tuck it away. Excellent header.
They've gone ahead so early in the game.
I think that goal will give them great confidence now, though they can't afford to become complacent. That would be silly at this stage.
And Juan Mata. Here's Fellaini. Cahill. This is lovely passing to watch. That's clearly not what was intended. Barkley. Here's Anichebe. Got the man there, surely. Yep, free kick given. He sends it in. Straight offside then, free kick to the opposition. Here's Fellaini. Here's Anichebe. Here's Juan Mata. Ashley Cole. Long ball over the top. This could be interesting. The flag stays down. Cuts it out. Here's Mata. We've nearly reached the half-hour mark. It's a ball in, and the cross met firmly. They're off on the counter. Anichebe. Barkley. Lampard, creator of one goal already. Here is Osman. Got it. No, that won't be finding its target.